Almost 50,000 Cubans from the Miami area in Florida are facing deportations.
I will vote for Donald Trump. I will vote.
Raise your hands, come on.
For Donald Trump.
So you guys got to check this out. Cubans for Trump are the next group to find out, and it's crazy out here. So many of Cubans are getting deported, guys. Just recently, within the past few weeks, we've had over 500,000 Cubans, Haitians, and Venezuelans from this country being deported. Basically, the Trump administration has been forcing their visas to become expired, and now they have to be deported from the country, and now they regret their votes. There's so many Cubans for Trump out here that truly voted for this, and now they're finding out exactly what they voted for.
Tres Doritos después.
Aquí estamos, el movimiento anticomunista, defensores de la libertad, frente a la oficina del abogado Soto, acá apoyando a la hermana cubana que está detenida en ICE, junto a los 18 cubanos. Acá estamos apoyando.
It's crazy because so many voters within this community thought that, oh, it's only going to be everybody else. It's only going to be the people who are causing troubles within the country or who are illegal within the country. And now they're finding out that, hey, this is really just everybody. There is no lines. There is no grounds for anything when it comes down to deportation. And it's really scary to think about.
Who voted for Trump think? Did they think they were special? Did they think that Trump, who had been saying for months, even years, the TPS was not a legal way to come into the country, who thought that everybody from Latin America was munching of the government, who talked about the largest deportation in history, was going to just look the other way when it came to Cubans? Because what? Because they're special? These are the same Cubans that for a while kept talking about Mexicans and Central Americans and South Americans and saying that we were munching of the government for some weird reason, when most immigrants don't munch of the government because they don't even have a social security number. But well, I digress. The point is this: the guy told you straight up what he was going to do, and you thought you were exempt of whatever measure he wanted to take.
At this point, nobody's safe when it comes down to these deportations, guys. Everybody can be deported at any point in time of their lives. So I'm gonna throw this video up here, and this is all the victims of the people who got deported, guys. There's so many people, and within this video, you'll see Latinos, you'll see Cubans, and people from the Hispanic community that are supporting Trump. Like, they are a huge Trump supporter. They don't really know what the benefit of it is. How could you support somebody who is literally targeting your community and people within your environment? I don't understand that. Where is the logic behind that? The first thing I gotta ask you is, how does that truly benefit you? That's the question that so many people have to ask themselves, and I never get an answer. I really never understand how mass deportation benefits you and your environment, guys. I don't understand that. Nobody can answer that for me. So there's even a video of Joe Rogan. Now, Joe Rogan, you're a part of the problem, man. I gotta say it, all right? He's even talking about, oh, I didn't really expect this to really happen. It's gotten so bad. Guys, this is what Trump was doing his first term. He was really destroying families.
You got to get scared that people who are not criminals are getting, like, lassoed up and deported and sent to, like, El Salvador prisons, like that kind of shit. Yeah. This is kind of crazy that could be possible. That's horrific, and that's bad for the cause. Like, the cause is, let's get the gang members out. Everybody agrees, but let's not innocent gay hairdressers get lumped up with the gangs, and then, like, how long before that guy can get out? Can we figure out how to get him out? Is there any plan in place to alert the authorities that they've made a horrible mistake and correct it?
No, Joe, there is no plan. We are here now. There is no reneging. There's no going back. There is none of that. Literally, this is what he talked about from the beginning. He didn't just talk about illegal immigrants. He talked about immigrants as a whole. If you notice in some of the rallies they was talking about, oh, it was make America great, make America great, get rid of illegal immigrants, make the border safe. He doesn't want any immigrants within the country, guys. I know they talked about, oh, make sure that they're legal and all these things, guys. There are no legal grounds anymore. He's taking their visas away. There is no such thing as an illegal immigrant anymore. I don't know. Listen, maybe I'm out of touch. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. But Joe Rogan, how could you truly support this? All right, like this is crazy to think about that. It's gotten so bad now to where he's deporting legal immigrants. Like, come on, man. Like, oh, I'm sorry, but listen, this is on you, Joe. I'm not gonna dig on you too hard, but this is on you. Trump has been in office for 3 months now, guys, almost 4 months if we really do the math on it. And so far, the economy has not changed not one bit. It actually got worse, guys. Every single day I look at it, he's signing something new, guys. Now, April 2nd, by the time I upload this video, it's going to be today. Today is Liberation Day, guys. What does that mean? He's going to sign all these tariffs to go into effect, and now the economy is going to get even worse, guys. They're even talking about we're at a 36% chance at going into another recession, all because of tariffs that, oh, we're looking at it as free money. We're looking at it as, oh, we're the greatest country in the world. We're going to apply it all within this country. At what cost is it? All right. Like, I just don't get it. I don't understand the plan. Like, what is the true plan? What is the goal? And how can people still support this plan that the president has going on, guys?
Stand up for what you supported. Oh, you thought he wasn't talking about you, right? He wasn't talking about you. He was talking about the illegals. Even though we tried to tell you, if your skin color was brown and you talk Spanish, he wants you out of the country. You thought, oh, he's not talking about me. We tried to warn you. The mass deportations in U.S. history affect communities of color indiscriminately. How do they know if you're undocumented or not? They're going to harass you. So even revoking legal status for 500,000 Cubans, Haitians, Nicaraguans, and Venezuelans, how are they going to find out which ones just lost their legal status? Where are they going to find them? They're going to be searching these neighborhoods, as they have been already. You know, when I moved from Michigan to Florida, I was young, naive. I didn't know what had happened in 2000, but I was shocked when I learned that Cubans in Miami were Republicans, because coming from Michigan, I knew who the Republicans were, and they couldn't stand the Cubans. And it's like, you're voting for people who can't stand you. They tolerate you because you stay in Miami and you're not venturing out to Iowa. You're not venturing out into the Midwest to realize that the people you're supporting want you out of their country. FAFO. But stand up and own what you supported. Round of applause. Greatness is here. Enjoy.
Yo voté por Trump y me siento traicionada, con mucha ira, por eso estoy aquí.
¿Usted votó por Trump? ¿Y por qué votó por Trump?
Porque yo creía que él iba a arreglar la economía, a estar con los inmigrantes, pero los malos que se fueran. Pero en este momento, ¿sabe qué hizo? Votó a toda esta gente que trabaja aquí en estos edificios.
It's only gonna get worse, all right? So y'all prepare yourself. Make sure you save your money, stack up. If you got a bunker, make sure you got all your food saved. Listen, China, Japan, and Korea just teamed up, and now it's, oh man, I'm not even gonna get into it. If you haven't seen that video, click that one as well. I'll see you on next video. If you enjoy great content like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.